Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 10, and today I'll show you how the camera Pro mode looks on the smartphone. So I'm going to use this plant. I will put it right here and just take a look. When you open the camera like that, just take a look. Here we got our plant, and we have to go for the left, and here we can find the Pro mode, right? So as you can see here, we can change a lot of things. For example, at the first we can pick the white balance. You can also pick it on the auto. Here we got 4 ready formats, but you can change it manually also. So we can make it for 8000. And that's how the colors changed. Next settings is the focus. So you can catch the focus outside. I think that the best will be this one. Here we got the shutter speed. So if you are in the dark scenario and you want to get more light in the photo, you have to go like that. But of course, in my case, it is not going to work because here I get the good light conditions. So I have to pick something like that. Okay, here we got ISO. We can also change it manually to brighten our photo, but in most cases I'm using this one on the auto. Here we got EFI. Let's pick it for -1.0, and here we can also change the lenses. So here we get the wide, ultra wide. There we got also the macro, but I think that the wide is it's the main sensor. And here we can also tap right here to get the 48 megapixel photo to get better quality of the photo. And when you want to catch the focus on the plant, you have to tap right here, and also we can adjust it right here. I think that right now it looks really good. And about the white balance, let's pick it maybe like that, and it will be on the 5200, and let's just take a photo. You have to wait a little bit. If you want to reset the settings or maybe use the flashlight, you have to tap on the left upper corner. Here we got also the frame average, spot metering also, it's very cool, and we got filters. But I think that in most cases you should just use the normal settings, because the filters you can add in the post-production of the photo. When you want to reset all the settings, you have to click the reset, and if you are wondering what even are the settings, you can tap right here, and here we got the description of everything, so you can read it. And here we can also tap the raw photo to edit it on the phone, and that's how it looks. And when you take a photo in the normal mode like that, you can see the comparison between them. So there we got the Pro mode, and there we got the normal mode. So that's how the Pro mode looks on the Redmi Note 10. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.